Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. Today's question we're going to address is that if you unfortunately get a denial from USCIS, do you have to appeal that with the AAO, the Administrative Appeals Office, or can you go straight to federal court to fight the denial? And the answer to that question is most of the time you can go straight to federal court to fight that denial. Not only can you do it, but typically, strategically, that is the smart thing to do. And the reason that you usually don't want to go forward with an AAO appeal if you don't have to is because, number one, AAO appeals are time consuming. It could take 6 months, it could take over a year for them to get back to you with a decision. Most of the time, the decision that they're going to come back to you with is confirming that denial. That happens in the overwhelming majority of cases. And perhaps most importantly, you don't want to give USCIS a chance to give better reasoning or a more fulsome denial on your application. That's a real possibility that they're not only are they going to deny your case again, but now they're going to give much more detail as to why they're denying the case, maybe even additional reasons. And that's important because when you do go to federal court and a federal judge reviews the denial, the federal judge is only going to look at the materials that you submitted to USCIS and USCIS's feedback and decision. That's the universe of what they can look at. So if USCIS initially makes a denial and the reason for it is suspect or very weak or it looks arbitrary, that's the decision you want to fight them on. If you have that, that's what you want to go forward with. You don't want to give them a chance to basically issue something more thoughtful and better because it's just going to make it that much harder to win your denial case. The one caveat to what I just said is that this does not apply to naturalization denials. Naturalization denials have their own track. That said, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. I encourage you to subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to discuss. Thank you. Bye.